We are now deeply involved with NASCAR. For this past year, starting September 2010, Lionel became the official partner of NASCAR, its teams and its drivers, not just NASCAR, but all of its marquee teams and drivers, through the new NASCAR Properties organization, which now represents not just NASCAR, but NASCAR, the brand, every major driver and every major team. And we are their partner, not their licensee, but their partner, and we make their replica model cars, which is a very big hobby for people that love NASCAR, just as people who love trains. So this occupies a real central place in the lives of NASCAR fans. We make these highly detailed, highly articulated, beautiful model cars, which we sell to NASCAR fans. So the businesses really dovetail beautifully because both are about passion and the execution of your interest, or the demonstration of your interest in NASCAR, just as our train sales are. And the best part is, from a business standpoint, it looks a lot like our train business. They're high quality die-cast models. They're made in some of the same factories where we make our trains. They're sold in many of the same ways, and we hope to actually start to cross-pollinating train sales with car sales. More important, from a business standpoint, it works really well for us. We're a fourth quarter business, as we were just talking about. NASCAR is a first quarter business, so it gives us balance throughout the year, gives us scales of economy, warehousing, shipping, sales, so it's a very good thing for our company. NASCAR traditionally has been a very forward-looking sport, so they aside from honoring marquee people like Richard Petty or Dale Earnhardt, they haven't had a lot of nostalgia. As they've gotten older and more mature, they do. So we're actually looking at doing a look backward for famous race seasons, famous drivers, and trying to put some of the same nostalgia into NASCAR that we have in our train business. But it's very exciting because in many ways we're dealing with a mirror image of each business. They're sold through hobby stores, they're bought online, they're rabidly passionate fans, and again, I feel that Lionel is uniquely qualified to do this because I think we get that you have to honor that passion and try to provide the highest value to that person so that they remain trusting you enough to invest in their passion with you. So we think it's a good fit. Life many times is a self-fulfilling prophecy. So when people thought that there was no active market for American Flyer, we didn't make a whole lot of product. 2 or 3 years ago, we were convinced that there might be, and we began to make product, and lo and behold, we sold everything we made and people wanted more. This year, you'll see some very cool stuff. I mean, there's sort of a technical dividend. All the work we did on our legacy system, we also developed micro boards, because in the old days, we'd make full-size boards for smoke or for sound or for functions, and fitting them into even a large die-cast engine was very difficult. Along with the development of legacy, we spent a lot of time and money developing micro boards, where now we can put a full set of legacy boards into an American Flyer engine. So you'll actually see a Challenger that will be out that is a legacy Challenger American Flyer. That is cool stuff, because we can take this technology that we've paid for and developed and start to put it into other products to hopefully reinvigorate the interest and activity in that segment. American Flyer, as I'm saying that, I can't even say reinvigorate, because there's a lot of interest, and we've had tremendous success with that line, and we'll keep building it. And what's exciting to me is seeing some of those very cool legacy features end up in other than O-gauge trains.